it fall out. What is up, YouTube? It's your girl PAX, and today we're cooking. We're gonna be making breakfast smoothie and breakfast tacos.
Healthy food.
The smoothie's good. It's really filling. So I don't know if I'm gonna make the tacos. I'm gonna make the tacos so I could make more for you guys. Cause I don't wanna just make the smoothie like, anyone can make a smoothie. I have my bananas and my avocados, the mixing bowl for the eggs, my seasonings.
That's it, that's the one. Okay.
I need to take my adult vitamin because I'm out here adulting, cooking breakfast. It's taking so long to take this out. Hold on. I'm gonna take 3. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So now let's get started. I'm gonna bring the camera down here so you guys can see how I'm doing it. And me cutting. Let's go. So honestly, I feel like I should be shorter because I'm trying to get this and it's not working. So I don't know. Okay, literally, honestly, I broke my tripod my last vacation, so I was trying to put this on my coffee maker. I was trying to put it on the refrigerator, on top of the refrigerator, in the cabinets, trying to figure out the angles, but I just couldn't. So I'm sitting down and we're going to cook. So first thing you're gonna need is a silver bowl. It doesn't matter what color the bowl is, just get a bowl, okay? And for this, I'm gonna use 2 eggs. Okay, so you take your egg, all right? I don't know, some people don't know how to crack an egg, so I'm gonna teach you how to crack an egg too, all right? So you take your egg. You ready for this? Okay. So you take your egg, and slap it on there. Move that up. Just let it fall out. So I like the satisfaction of mixing all of the ingredients together after I put them all in. So that's what we're gonna do. So actually, I guess I'm gonna cut the vegetables first. Let me wash it off. Let me wash off the avocado too. We need to talk about something, huh? Top 5 Netflix movies. What's yours? I'll make a video for that actually. So I'm gonna use a knife, of course. Thumbnail. I'm so cute. Okay, this is an old ass tomato. No, it's dead ass like a week old. So here, man, push it to the side. So since this is an old tomato, it's okay. What you're gonna do is you're gonna cut it. How do I want to cut this? This isn't a sandwich, so I have a bird. I'm gonna show you guys my bird so you can see where all that screaming comes from. Ooh, how delightful. All right, Weber. Say hi. Hi. Hi, Baba. What's up?
Now, who the hell let the bird get a hold of the damn cake?
Somebody.
Oh,
He needs
some milk. What the fuck?
My alarm came on just now, and I was like, if this took all my video footage, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay. Thumbnail. I have to make like 20 thumbnails because I don't know which one I'm gonna pick. I like to have options, baby. Options, baby. Okay, so like I was saying, this is not a sandwich. So we're not gonna make big old tomato slices. We're gonna dice them. What I wish people told me this before I was an adult, but it's okay. So I just cut it like 3 lines. Do you see how I do that? Ooh. Okay, then I turn it and I cut again. Okay, and then I cut again and I cut some more because you gotta slice them and dice them, all right? And honestly, I don't think this knife is gonna suffice, but we're about to see. So, whatever. Oh, y'all see that? Ooh. Okay. Ooh, I'm making some tomatoes. Like, I love onions. I just hate cutting them. I hope this is pre-diced. I hate cutting onions. So, I'm just gonna cut it. I don't like cutting them onions. I'm using my front camera today, so I'm sorry I'm not making eye contact. This is enough onions at this point. Okay. I hate cutting onions. Okay. So that's enough onions. Okay. I got onion powder. Like, how much onion I need? You take all this and you put it into your egg mixture. Okay. All of it. You see I'm slicing? There's no dog in the nut. And now I have garlic salt. So I'm gonna put some garlic salt in there. You know, and it's a meal prep. It's like I'm eating healthier, so honestly putting like salt and stuff like that, you're not supposed to put a lot. You're supposed to use natural seasonings, but let me read this. See? Even though it says 0 calories, it can still be deceiving. It's true. You see I'm doing that? I'm just coating it. I just coated it. I'm not, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, I just coated it. I didn't do the most. Then, now I'm gonna add some pepper. Ooh, I have that thing that, but it's not working right now. You gotta have the pepper, okay? And then, this has sea salt in it. It's just that I don't want to put too much salt, because I got more salt, okay? Okay. So you see, you get it. You start shaking first, and then, ooh. You like that? I like that. Keep rocking with me, y'all. Okay. I didn't feel right with coating it. I just need a little more. And then seasoning salt. I just like the flavor of seasoning salt. I just like the flavor of seasoning salt, but it's salt. So like I said, I'm not going to use a lot. I'm just going to coat it. Get it shaking. I like to start shaking it first, because what if I just, you know, shake it, get a rhythm. Okay. I actually feel like I put too much in there. And this is what it looks like. Okay. Oh wow, I put a lot because it's like egg coated tomatoes, but that's okay. We're gonna work with it. This is gonna taste really good, really healthy. Okay, so you get that stirred up. The tomato, the egg, voila. And now it is time for the breakfast smoothie. So now we're gonna take this. I think there's one already open in here because I definitely used it yesterday. The breakfast smoothie. Take 10. Alright. So you just pour all of that in there. I'm not tripping. I don't really care if I have a strawberry or anything like that. Okay. So I put the banana in there. You need honey. Okay? You need honey to make it sweet. Like, I feel like banana's like the vanilla of fruit, but it doesn't make it sweet enough. It's like the sugar vanilla of fruit. So, you know, I'm gonna put that in there. You're not supposed to put that much. Honestly, it don't matter how much you put in here because it's yours. Okay. So I got that. Now what you do is close it. Do I want anything else in here? Honestly, I'm gonna put some milk in here to make it creamy. Lactose. This takes forever. Top 5 Netflix movies I can't think. Let's talk about something else. So I finally got this on, so let's go. I've been wanting to make this. The thing is right here, I'm not pulling it in front. Just imagine what it looked like. Okay. And there's your breakfast smoothie, you guys. Honestly, this was shorter than the mixing eggs. And this is how it comes out. And then I'm gonna taste it so you guys can get the real reaction. That's really good. Milk and honey, baby. Like, yeah, I'm not about to eat those eggs. This is really good. But this is the perfect size for me because I always use it. Hold on. I always use this size and I finish it like right there. Or like right there. It's like, what was the point? Okay, you guys, so thanks for watching. I'm glad you guys got to see me make a breakfast smoothie and prep some eggs. You can put those eggs on the stove, the oven, or the microwave if you're lazy. Thank you guys for cooking with me and watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon. Mwah.